The Daily Code Snippet. ARIA landmarks are used to identify major sections and regions of a document, such as letting the user know what is the main content. Screen readers compile these landmarks and allow the user to jump to that region of the web page to help navigation. The ARIA landmark role attribute can be added to perform this function. Here are some commonly used values for the role attribute. Article, to make an individual or separate content within a main section. Banner, to identify a section with branding information, also known as page heading. Complementary, content that is not directly related to the main content, also known as an aside. Footer, a region at the bottom that typically contains copyright, policies, and contact information. Main, denotes the main or primary content. Navigation, regions that include menus or links. When multiple regions of the same type exist, an aria-label attribute is added to further indicate a title for that region. Here are some examples. Div, ID equals header, role equals banner, aria-label equals header. Endiv. Div, main menu, role navigation, aria-label main menu, endiv. Div, ID main, role main, endiv. Div, ID aside, role complementary, aria-label key takeaways, and div. Div, ID footer, role banner, aria-label footer, and div. Div, ID footer nav, role navigation, aria-label footer, and div. With HTML5, elements were added that also define commonly used regions. The preference is always to use HTML5 first and then use ARIA for additional clarification if necessary. So for the above examples, we would instead use header, nav, ID main menu, aria-label main menu, and nav, main, aside, aria-label key takeaways, and aside. Footer, nav, ID footer nav, aria-label footer nav, and nav. Presented by Designers Learn Code.